Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy NeoGeo year. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are back with the Welchall.
Back with a new NeoGeo Mini.
Because my friend got a problem. He has an addiction to NeoGeo mini arcade machines from China. Oh yeah. And this is what we're going to get. Let's do a little bit of an overview. So what I understand of this package, not from, it's basically from China, but...
Everything comes from China nowadays.
So what comes extra with it? This one comes with the two NeoGeo controllers.
Indeed, while the other versions so far didn't come with any controllers, you need to buy them separately.
Ooh, we got a power cable here. Yeah. Here we got a nice box with an anti-slip cushion, HDMI cable, character stickers and HD screen protector.
So yeah, it's a really complete version. Because the stickers cost also around 10 bucks. If you can buy them separately too, for the other versions. I've also just noticed that they released another version, the China edition. It's a black gold version, and if they ever going to release it, of course we will also review it. But that is for another day.
So let's focus on the NeoGeo Mini. Let's take a close look at the console itself. So we're going to focus on the console itself and the controller that comes with it. I must say, I think this thing is freaking hideous with the gold buttons. Man, oh man, oh man. I understand with the Christmas spirit that it needs to be a little bit of gold. There are no stickers on it because it's more like a collectible thing.
You need to put them on yourself.
Yep, and you need to use the stickers, and you can buy some custom stickers if you want to leave the original one in the packaging. This also has an analog stick. And the same goes for the joystick. There is no real arcade clickish micro switch like the old NeoGeo AES or CD controllers.
Also the chronicle order, the buttons are different than back at the days.
Alright, let's power it on and let's see what we're going to get. So the first thing that we have noticed, they also did a little bit of a change with the layout.
Yeah, it's completely white. Some others had dark.
That's really funny.
And it also comes with 84 games instead of 40 games, so it has 8 more titles than the previous versions.
Funny. So the Japanese, the International and the Christmas edition all got their own special layout and their own collection of games.
As you see, the menu is totally in English. We didn't even change something, so that's nice. Because this is also for the international market. I've heard they produce around 25,000 of these, but it says limited edition, but unfortunately it didn't come with a number or certificate or something like that.
So there were a lot of YouTubers like, did I say this correctly, Metal Jesus?
Yeah.
He wasn't a big fan of this NeoGeo clone. And yeah. Let me know what you think of this. What do you think of this emulation? I can personally enjoy it. A little bit of a bummer of the controller because I really love this arcade feeling.
Yeah, it misses the clickiness. And yeah, Metal Jesus did get a response when you asked for it. It's hard to make. Yeah, that's of course bullshit. It's just cheaper to produce them without clickiness than with. So yeah, but still it plays fine. And it's also very nice that you can hook it up on the big television if you want it on the big screen. So yeah, if you're a collector like me, love NeoGeo, I can of course recommend this. It has 8 game titles more. It comes with 2 controls, with all the stuff, the stickers, the cables. So yeah, but again, it's pure for the collectors. You can of course also buy a Pi or play these on your PC with an emulation. I want to thank you for watching, and of course till next time. Bye bye!